What's up, everyone? Greetings from the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Yes, it's me, your technician from Appliance Fix Lab, Yevhen. Let me remind you that Appliance Fix Lab specializes in repair and maintenance of Kenmore dryers in Winnipeg and the surrounding area. It's time to fix another Kenmore dryer malfunction in Winnipeg at the intersection of two areas, Betsworth and Southboine. Today's video is dedicated to the repair and maintenance of a Kenmore dryer that works but doesn't dry clothes. Reason for the service call. The Kenmore dryer does not heat. I am starting the diagnostics. I turn on the dryer and wait about 2 minutes. There is no heating. I disassemble the Kenmore dryer to conduct visual and instrumental diagnostics. Visually, I noticed an accumulation of lint inside the dryer. The lint in the area of the heating element is burnt. When a large amount of lint accumulates inside the dryer, this can lead to its accumulation in the area of the heating element and cause the dryer to catch fire. As you all understand, this is very dangerous. To prevent a fire hazard, always clean the dryer filter and periodically clean the ventilation duct. It is also advisable to call technician from a specialized company every 3 years to service the dryer, cleaning the inside, lubricating the moving elements, or replacing them if they are heavily worn. Using a tester, I checked the parameters of all sensor and the heating element. The sensor have parameters that correspond to the norm, but the heating element, according to the measurement readings, should be replaced. Visually, the heater has a broken nichrome thread. The reason for the malfunction of the Kenmore dryer has been identified. I proceed to repair. The first step is to use a vacuum cleaner and brushes to remove all the lint that has accumulated inside the Kenmore dryer. The second step is to replace the heating element and lubricate all the rollers. Having checked the dryer visually and with a tester and making sure that all components are in good working order, I assemble it sequentially. I am starting the test cycle. Success! The dryer has been tested in all modes and is ready for future use. I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.